Today I'm exploring Table Mountain in Oroville, California. Stay tuned until the end to watch me make my way down to the base of Phantom Falls, a stunning 166-foot waterfall. Early on our hike, we came across a small seasonal creek, complete with our first little waterfall. Recent heavy rains in the area mean the trails are wet and muddy today, but they're also promising some spectacular high flowing waterfalls later on. It's already shaping up to be an exciting adventure. This section of the hike takes us along a shaded and covered trail leading down to the base of our second and third waterfalls. Along the way, we stumbled upon what we believe to be a coastal range newt, a subspecies of California newt. This little guy was hanging out right in the middle of the main trail, so to keep him safe from passing hikers, we gently moved him closer to the water. Our next stop is Ravine Falls, a stunning 60-foot drop, one of my favorites on this hike. From there, we head to Ravine Twin Falls, navigating through an abundance of downed trees along the way. We found ourselves climbing over and ducking under obstacles, making this part of the hike a bit of an adventure. Ravine Twin Falls was hidden from us for years, almost like a bonus waterfall on this trail. It twists its way down about 46 feet, more like a cascading stream than a traditional waterfall, but its unique flow adds a special charm to the hike. Now we're heading to the main attraction of the day, Phantom Falls. Along the way, we take a moment to soak in the incredible view of Coal Canyon, a lesser known name for this stunning waterfall. The anticipation is building as we get closer to this breathtaking sight. One of our favorite parts of visiting Phantom Falls is making the climb down to the base. This descent can be moderately challenging, with rocky terrain and slippery sections that require careful footing. While there is a trail leading to the falls, it becomes less defined as you approach the base, and some scrambling over rocks may be necessary, especially after recent rains. It's not for everyone, but the reward is absolutely worth it. Getting to the base of Phantom Falls gives you a completely different perspective of its 166-foot drop and the power of nature in action. We're wrapping up our walk to the base of Phantom Falls. This seasonal waterfall flows off the edge of Coal Canyon. The trail is part of the North Table Mountain Ecological Reserve and spans about 5.5 miles round trip with just 250 feet of elevation gain. It's mostly flat with a few rolling hills and several stream crossings, so make sure to wear shoes you don't mind getting muddy. The path is easy to follow with GPS or AllTrails, and there are mile markers and signs along the way to help guide your journey. I only passed a few other hikers, which made the experience even more peaceful. Remember to grab a lands pass from the CDFW website or use the QR code at the trailhead before heading out. Phantom Falls is best visited during the rainy months, from late autumn to early spring, when it's flowing strong and creating its iconic grotto view.